How was your Yom Al Watni yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday we had National Day.
National Day. How was it? Where did you go on your bike? Hmm?
No, but the third National Day is tomorrow. Tomorrow is the main National Day, 23 September.
Okay, mashallah. So tomorrow you
Yeah,
have
yeah.
plans to go with your friends out.
With university you can't go anywhere, mister.
So how will you go to not doing? So you'll not go anywhere.
Well, I can't, mister. You know, a big exam.
Mashallah. Take it then you go. You can go after exam.
Yeah, inshallah. After exam, I will see if anybody celebrating. I will go.
Yeah, mashallah. So Mohammed, have you traveled by train?
Yes.
So this is a train, okay, and this is the coach. What do you call the coach of a train?
The coach, the
Com
guy who drives the train.
no. The compartment, like many trains like this, no. And
Train.
this is the engine. This is the engine, and they are connected to one another like this. So what do you call this?
Train.
Huh? So,
Like
so what is this?
there is something attaching by them.
What is
Called
this?
train coach.
You call it coach?
Yeah, the first one with the guy who's driving.
No, not the guy who's driving. A train is made up of coaches, right?
Yeah,
Okay, I'll just show you diagram. So how many coaches are there in this train? So I will name them as A1, A2, A3. A1,
okay,
A2 and
I agree.
A3. In A1 there are 30 seats. How many seats are there?
30 sheets.
Seat number 1, seat number 2. Like this there are 30 seats, okay?
Okay,
And 30 seats in A2
me too.
and 30 seats in,
A3.
correct?
Yeah.
So now if let's say you, me, Dr. Ahmed and Dr. Badr are going for a holiday, going for a,
Holiday.
okay, these 4 people,
Yeah.
Muhammad, Dr. Badr, Dr. Ahmed and Umar, okay.
Okay.
If I get a seat at A1 and seat number 2 is given to me, okay,
Yes.
and in A2 seat number 7 is given to you. Seat number 7 is given to whom?
To me.
To Muhammad. And seat number 11 in A3 is given to whom? Dr. Badr. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And seat number 29 is given to Dr. Ahmed. Okay. Now, and this journey is of, let's say, 24 hours. How many hours journey?
24 hours.
Will we enjoy the journey?
Wallah, too much. Very long.
So will we enjoy this journey or not?
Yes, yes.
How will we enjoy? You are here, I am here, Dr. Badr over there, Dr. Ahmed over here. We are not
Yes,
talking, we are not meeting, just sitting
everyone
alone.
has his own place.
Hmm?
Everyone has his own place to rest, you know.
Yeah, so but we cannot talk, we cannot share jokes, we cannot share meal. We will get bored sitting alone. Correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
So what should be the ideal scenario? That if the person who is booking the ticket, we will tell him that you please book continuous ticket. What you book?
Continuous ticket.
Right or wrong? Book continuous seat for us. Book what?
Yeah, so you all be next together.
Yeah, book continuous seat. 1 second, hang on. Assalamualaikum. we will tell that person who's booking ticket, please book ticket continuous. Please book ticket.
Continuous.
So if he goes and books seat booking number A2 and seat number 7, 8, 9 and 10, good?
Yes.
To Mohammad, to Umar, to Dr. Badr and Dr. Ahmad. Correct?
Yeah.
This is good?
Okay, yeah. So all be together.
All to be get together, correct?
Yes.
Or if he books in A3, seat number 11, seat number 12, seat number 13, seat number 14, correct?
Everyone will get both.
They will be all together, correct?
Yes.
So which is good? All together is good or all different is good?
No, all together.
All together is good, correct?
Yes, yes.
So this is what array does. Array gives memory together.
Yeah.
Okay. So now here if I want to add three numbers, if I want to add
In numbers.
three numbers, so I will take integer 1, 2, 3, integer sum, correct?
Yes.
Now these are three different variables. These are what?
Three variables.
So n1 will get memory at different place, n2 will get memory at different place, n3 will get memory at different place, and sum will get memory at different place. Okay?
All different.
Different. So this is address 1000, this address 499, this address 854, like this address 12. All address different, right?
Yeah.
This is n1, this is n2, this is n3, and then to find the sum, the compiler will, okay, if n1 has 5, n1 has,
5.
n2 has 10, n3 has
15.
15, whatever. So now to find the sum, the compiler will first go to which address,
And 1.
then go to which address,
And 2.
then you go to which address,
And 3.
and then store the result at which address,
And 4.
at this address. No, sum, this is sum, right?
Yeah, so.
So this will be 30. So to add them, it has to go at three different locations, correct?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
What if I bring them all together at one location? Like,
You want to bring more.
like this. All continuous. All what?
Continuous.
Getting the point?
Yeah.
So like
bring
this
them
all at one address 1000, 5 over here, 10 over here, 15 over here, and then 30 over here. Understood?
Yes.
This is called array.
Okay.
This is called array. Understood?
Understood.
So array gives continuous memory allocation. What is array? What is the advantage of array?
Continuous and advanced location.
It gives you what?
Continuous advantage.
Continuous memory location.
Continuous memory location.
Okay?
Yes.
But what is disadvantage of array? Array is of, what is homogeneous, you know?
What?
Homogeneous.
No, I don't know what this is.
Homogeneous means single type. Means what? Means what? Hello? You there, Mohammed?
Yes, I hear you.
So single type. So this array is of integer. The array is of what type?
Empty.
So we'll only store integer. We'll only store what?
Can only store empty variable.
I cannot store float. I cannot store
Float, all integer.
all integer. All same. Okay.
Okay.
So You watch football.
Yes.
So the team travel by bus. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So in that bus, if it is bus of, let's say, Manchester United, all player will be of Manchester United. Yes or no? Hello, Mohammad. Yes, am I audible? So like this, okay. So this is single variable and this is array of size 5. So it will have 5 boxes. So this will be A of 3 and this will be A of
4.
4. So this is called index. This is called as what?
Index.
Index. Index will start from, this is index.
Oh, so Mr. You don't write 5.
No 5 because starting from 0, no?
Something from 0 going to 4.
So index will start from, index of array will start from where?
0.
And end at
4.
size minus 1. End at
4.
size minus 1.
Yes.
What is the array size over here?
5.
So is ending at,
4.
if I make array of size 10 then?
It will end at 9. Start
Yes.
at 0.
Yes. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Now and this array will have a base address 1000. And this array of integer will only have integers, right? 10,
Yes.
10, 23, 78, correct? 5 and 12, correct? Mohammad, are you getting this? Mohammed.
Yes, with you.
Now with the array we have 6 things. What we have? Mohammed. Mohammed.
Yes, Mister. Hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. You're not answering in between.
No,
So
because
with-
the internet is going and
With
come back.
array you have 6 things. What do you have?
6 things.
So this is 5. Now tell me, what is this 6 things? Come on, tell me. What is 1? What is 1? Data type. 1 is the
Integer.
data type of the array. What is it?
Integer.
Data type of the array. What I am telling?
The type is integer.
Yeah. So first thing with the array you should know its data type. You should know its.
Data type.
So your data type is what?
Integer.
So if I want to make a float array, I will write float A of 5. Correct?
Yeah.
Then 2 is the name of the array. 2 is the,
The name of the array.
what is the array name over here? A.
A.
Okay. 3 is size of the array. 3 is,
Size of the array.
how many elements will be there in the array?
5. 4.
4. 5 elements. No. Index will be 4.
Yeah. Okay.
And 4 will be index of the array. 4 will be what?
The index of the array.
Starting from
0.
and ending at
4.
size minus 1, Baba. Size minus 1. No, not always 4. If you give array of 10, what will you end at?
You mean 4 or 5? The size?
No, if you give array of size 10, index start
It
from,
will end at 9.
yeah, so starting at 0, ending at size minus 1. Not always 4.
Yeah. Yes. I know.
Depend on the arrays. If array 100 size,
It will end at 99.
if array 500 size,
It will end at 499.
then you will not say end at 4. It will end at size minus 1.
No, I thought you mean the size array.
No,
of
this is,
5.
I am writing general. I am talking of general rules.
Yes, understand.
And what is 5? Value. What is 5?
Value.
And 6 is the base address. 6 is the base address of the array. Okay, understood?
Okay, okay.
Getting the point?
Yeah, the base address of the array, Mr. is
It is the address of the zero index. Address of the
zero index.
is base address of the array. Okay.
I know it more.
Okay. Understood so far?
Yes, it's so far good.
So far so good?
Yeah, but Mr. The base address, can you demonstrate it for me?
Base address means from where the array is starting. Like if we are sitting at seat number 17, 18, 19 and 20. Yes or no?
Okay.
So which is the first seat which we are having?
17.
That is the base address.
Ah, the first seat.
So the index of the zero, the address of the zero element is the address of the array. Okay.
Okay.
So if you have building of 50 floor, how many floor building?
50 floors.
50 floor. The parking, you come to the parking, right?
Yes.
So parking address is same as the address of all floors?
No.
Yes, if the address of the parking is the same as the floors, no?
If there is an every floor parking, yes, it's the same.
Yeah, so if someone is in the parking, the address of parking and address of 50 floor is same, correct?
Yes.
So if he has come to the parking, he can come to the 50 floor, correct?
Yes, correct.
So like if you know the base address, you can go to any of the index. Means address where array is starting. What is base address?
Where is the array starting?
Understood?
Understood.
Okay.
Yes, good. Understanding everything until now.
So array is, you can have multiple numbers stored continuously and each number will have an index, will have a
Index.
So if I want to display 10, if I want to display 10, I will say cout and a, and what index of a is 10 at? 0. So I will see out a of 0. Understood?
Okay.
Yes, no, maybe.
The index is the starting of the site, right?
Yeah, index is the first number that index 0.
Yes. And the last one is called. Okay.
Okay, got it?
Yes.
Okay, if I want to display 78, then
Index number 0.
78.
78.
Huh.
It will be 77.
No, if I want to display 78, what is 78? Which number? A of which index?
From the up. 2.
A of 2. A of 2. Got it?
Yeah. A of 2, yes.
If I want to display 5, then
A3.
A of 3. This will output you 5. This will output you
5.
Understood?
Yes.
What will this output you?
To output me 78.
What this?
10.
Okay. This output you how much?
10.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
Getting the point, Mohammad?
Yes, getting with that.
If I want to display all the numbers, then if I want to display all 10, 23, 78, then what? How will I display? 5 and 12. So see, I will run a for loop. I will run a
For loop.
We'll start from which index?
0.
We'll go till which index? Less than 5, right? This for this array and I plus plus, correct?
Yes.
Now I will see out In the first iteration, what is the value of I? First iteration.
First is 0.
So I will say A of Z, A of I. A of.
A of I.
Then in next iteration, what is the value of I?
10.
No. Then when I will I plus plus, I will become. See Muhammad, what is the value of I in first iteration?
I is not here, Mr. I is.
I is 0, right?
Mm.
So what is A of I? What is A of 0?
20.
10. 10. A of 0 is 10.
Mr. I plus plus this one for what?
See, I, what is the value of I over here?
0.
So I will become 0, correct?
Okay.
Then what am I displaying? A of I. What am I displaying?
A of I.
Means what? A of I means A of 0, correct?
Yes.
A of I means,
A of 0.
but I is 0, correct?
Yes.
So what is A of 0?
A of 0 is 5.
A of 0 is
Oh,
what?
10. 10.
So this will output me 10. This will output me how much?
10.
Getting the point?
Yes. Yes.
After that, my I will become plus plus. I will become,
Plus plus.
I will become what?
I will become I plus plus.
1, right?
Yes.
So what is A of I now? A of I means A of 1, correct?
Yes.
What is A of 1?
23.
Yes, so when means A of 1, correct?
Yes.
So 23, correct?
Yes.
Then I plus plus, I will become,
Then now.
I will become 2, right?
Yes.
So A of I means
A of I means.
A of 2. Because I is 2, right?
Yeah, A of 2.
Which is how much?
78.
78. Getting the point, Mohammed?
Yeah. Mr. Output, I don't write it in the program, right?
And now then I becomes what? 3, correct?
Yeah.
A of I means
Minus 3.
A of 3. What is A of 3?
5.
5. And then I becomes 4. A of I means A of 4 means how much? 12. So it will output you all these, the entire array. Getting the point?
Yeah. Mr. This all I write it in the program, right? Output.
Yes. You add the program. Now I'll do the program for you. Okay.
Okay. You do the. Yeah, I see.
Okay. Now I take an array of integers type and size of 5. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now
Yes.
I want to put value in this. Okay. So I put A of 0 is 10. A of 0 is.
10.
Now this is the donkey work. This is not smart work. This is very donkey work I am doing. A of 1 is.
Yes, 10. Now you are telling him that the value of 1 equals
Yeah, I'm storing the value now. Is what?
13. 3. 40.
A of.
450.
Understood?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, it's enter now good.
Now if I want to display, I will display like this. If I display A of 0, what will it display me?
0, 10.
And if I want to display the entire array, I will display like this.
Mr. Y with the entire array.
Okay, so here we are saving and here we are displaying. Okay, so the output will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Yeah.
Okay, got it?
Easy. Okay, easy.
But now if I want to make array of size 50, array of size
50.
will I enter like this 50 times?
No.
This is very hopeless, right?
Yeah.
So what I do is I make an array, I run a for loop. I run a
on group.
For I equal to first index is 0 and last index is less than 5, correct?
Yes.
And I plus plus. Then I will tell the user, cout enter number. Enter, and that number will go where? In Cin A of I. Understood?
And it's between 1 to 5.
0 to 5. So first, in the first iteration, what is the value of I? First iteration.
0.
I is 0, correct?
Yes.
So the first number will go where? A of I means A of 0, correct?
A of 0.
Then I plus plus I will become
1.
Then again I will take a number. Will go where? A of?
It will go A of I.
A of 1. I is 1, right?
Yeah, A will be 1.
Then again I will become?
And then 2.
2. So enter a number will go in I of 2, correct?
So, A of I will be A of 2.
Then like this, it will run and it will take the 5 numbers. Understood, Mohammed?
And I choose which number, Mr. Right?
Yeah, you choose number. You choose number. You choose number. Enter number. You enter 76. You enter 87. You enter 101. Whatever number you want to enter, you can enter.
Okay.
Understood?
Mr. Here, there is function here or
no function. This is just a loop.
Oh, why you choose void main? Why you know what using namespace?
Yes, Mohammed?
I said, why you don't use int main using namespace std?
No, not required of that. Online compiler not required. Okay, got this? Now if I want to display the numbers, then again I will run for loop. Again I will run
for loop.
I equal to 0, I less than 5 and
5 by I plus plus.
And what to do? Cout A of I. Okay.
Yes.
Understood this, Mohammed?
Mr. You don't tell them to minus. Mr. Wait. I have phone call 1 minute.
Yeah. This will accept 5 numbers, put in the array, and display those 5 numbers. Okay. So I run this code. Now give me the 5 numbers, Mohammed. Give me the 5 numbers. What happened? I is not declared. I is a what type? Integer type, right?
I don't write the integer.
Okay. Yes. Now, Mohammed, give me the 5 numbers. Come on.
Now we said 0.
Give me a number, any number, what you want to store in the array.
6.
Yes.
The number 4.
Yeah, tell me.
5. 3. 2.
Here, your numbers 6, 4, 5, 3, 2.
6, 4, 5, 3, 2. Yes, it worked. But Mister.
Book के नीचे. Yes.
Mister, now if I don't want to just write the numbers, I just want the size, and it will get me the whole numbers. I will just enter size, and it will be a whole continuous, you know. So I just enter the array size.
Okay.
And the array size will display for me 50, 40, 30, 20 to 10. Understand?
And the 5 numbers, who will put 5 numbers?
Yeah.
5 number programmer will put or user will put? See, you can you can do one thing like this. You can do one thing like this. You can put over here equal to, and you can give your value like this.
I can give my value already.
Yeah, already. Then no need to accept from user. Then you can comment this.
Then I don't need to write cout.
Then no need to accept this from user. Now your array, what is at 0 index?
0 index is 10.
1 index?
20.
2 index?
30,
50. Okay. Now you are displaying all the 5 numbers. So we'll display you 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
See? Oh, without entering.
Without entering, yes. So your teacher will give you this code and ask you what is output of this code. This is called
Yeah,
trace the
looking at
output.
the output.
This is called trace the output.
Where?
This is called trace the output. He will give you your code and he will ask you what is the output of this code. What is the output of this code?
How do I know?
How do you know means now which 10 is at which index?
0.
This is 0 index, correct?
Yes.
20 at
1, 2, 3, 4.
correct. So now he is running a for loop, loop starting from
For loop. Starting from 0.
going till
5.
less than 5.
Yes.
So in the first iteration, a of I means what is the value of I?
I 0.
So what is a of 0?
I have 0 is 10.
So it will output 10. Then I plus plus I will become.
I plus V1.
Now what is a of 1?
The sum of numbers.
Yeah. So if you want to find the sum of numbers of the array. Now what is the array numbers?
We have 10, 20, 30, 40.
What is the total of the number? 150. What is it?
150.
So how will you display that? So you will take a variable called sum. What will you take variable?
Got sum.
And you make it 0. What will you make it?
0.
Now what does sum have? Tell me.
Sum has 10.
Sum has 0.
0, yeah. 0 is A.
Sum has 0. Okay.
Mm.
So your sum variable, it has value 0. Correct?
Yes.
So now when you come here, what will you do? Sum plus a of I. Sum plus what?
A of 1.
So what is the value of I?
0.
What is a of 0 then?
10.
10 plus sum. What?
10
10
plus 110.
10 plus 0 is how much?
10.
10 plus 0 is 10. Will go in which variable?
1.
10 plus 10 plus 0 plus 10 is 10. Will go in sum. Will go in which variable?
And sum.
So sum will become.
Sum will become 10.
Sum will become 10. Then I plus plus I will become.
To become 1.
Saturday. Sunday. So now I is 0, correct? Mohammad, see, I is
I 0.
0. I is 0. So what is a of I?
A of I we said 0. 10.
A of 0 is 10. 10 plus sum, what is it? What is there in sum?
Sum is 0.
So 10 plus 0 is how much?
10.
Will go in which variable? On the left hand side. Sum will become 10, correct?
Yeah, so 10 we went.
Then I plus I will become
10.
I will become 1. I is 0, no?
1.
1. Then what is a of I now? What is a of 1?
I have 1 is 10.
A of 1 is 20.
20, sorry, 20.
20. What is there in sum?
10.
10 plus 20.
30.
30 will go in which variable?
The sum.
Sum. So sum will become 30.
Second.
Sum will become 30. Okay. Then I plus plus I will become
I will become 30.
2. I will become 2. I was 0. I was 1. I was 2. Let me write this properly for you.
Yeah, mister, that is a little bit confusing.
Yeah, no problem. See, now what is the value of I? What is the value of sum?
0.
So you have to write over there. Sum is 0. Okay.
Okay.
So what is in sum?
10.
Sum is 0, Baba. Sum is 0.
Some. Yeah, some 0.
And what is in I now?
AI.
I is 0.
AI 0.
Yeah. Now what is A of I? Then what is A of 0?
10.
And what is in sum?
0.
10 plus 0.
10.
So this is I is 0 and this is A of I. Okay. This is A of
Yes.
I. What is A of I? 10, right?
Yes.
So 10 plus 0 is how much?
10 plus 0, 10.
We'll go in which variable? What is on the left hand side?
Some.
Sum. The sum will become 10, correct?
Yeah.
Then I plus plus, right? Will go up. I plus I will become.
I will become 1.
Then what is A of I? What is A of 1?
20.
20 plus sum how much?
30.
30 will go in which variable?
Some.
Sum becomes 30, correct? Got it?
Yes.
Sum becomes 30. I plus I becomes
2.
A of 2 how much?
30.
30 plus 30.
60.
60 will go in which variable?
Some.
Sum I becomes
3.
A of 3 how much?
40.
40 plus 60 how much?
100.
Will go in which variable?
Some.
I plus I becomes
4.
A of 4 how much?
50.
50. 100 plus 50 how much?
150.
I plus I becomes
5.
is 5 less than 5.
That's it.
Loop will break and I will come outside and I will display what? See out sum.
Yeah. Some.
Okay. So I will say sum of array is sum. Understood?
Understood, Mister. Easy.
Understood?
Yeah.
So now if I run this code, answer will be 150.
Yes.
You see?
150. Already get this.
Correct?
Correct.
You understood like this how I run this?
Yeah. Very easy now.
This is called dry run. This is called dry run. What is this called as?
Try run.
Dry run. So you should dry run your code and you will understand how your code is executing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Mister.
Now can you do this program for me? I'll make you the host. Come on.
Okay.
I will share you the code also. Okay, I'm recording now. I made you the host. Come on. Yes, Mohammed. Now declare the array and initialize the array.
Mr. Umar,
Yes, tell me.
do you have the question for this program?
Question
So
for
I
this
can
program is uh, uh, find the sum of array. Hmm. No, just array. No, no, the std and all that.
Mister, this is the brackets for the array, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
We change the limit, put another number, or keep
Yeah,
it
your
5.
your wish, your wish. You want to make 5, 6, 10, 20, or whatever size you want.
Mister, here curly bracket, right?
Yes, curly bracket. Yes. One number is short. You are making array of 7. You are giving 6 number. Yes.
Mister,
Yes.
here open bracket, right?
Yes. Open bracket for a for loop. No, the square bracket for array square bracket. Yes.
I see.
Yes. Now after the for loop, display the sum.
Here sum, right?
Yes, sum correct.
Mister, good until now, right?
Yes, perfect.
Correct.
Mashallah. Run. Now run the code. What is the output?
Output 20, 30, 40, 50.
What is the output? 280.
But, I have
280 is the output, sum of the array.
yeah, do it.
Got it?
This output, yeah, the output, some of that.
Got it?
But Mister, if I want it all to display, I want all to
Display all. So
Yeah,
you go at line number 17, hit enter.
17
Yeah,
here.
yeah. And
Right,
I would see out. I would see out a of I. and
See
L.
out.
A of I and L. No double quotes.
I.
A of I and L.
Okay.
Yeah, now run.
Okay.
Okay,
And Mister, if I want to enter a number, if I want to enter
the 7
the
numbers.
variable, yeah.
So after equal, line number 14, after equal to give semicolon. Before, yeah, remove everything and give semicolon after 7. Yeah. At line number 14, after equal to remove everything. Yeah, just keep semicolon. Remove everything. Yeah, give semicolon. Now again run a for loop and see out and see in. Enter. Yeah, for copy the for loop. No, it is already there. Copy the for loop. Line number. Yeah, copy this. Paste it. Enter. Open and curly bracket. Enter. Now see out. Enter a number. Double quotes. Double quotes.
Okay.
Semicolon. And whatever number he will come, see in A of I.
Cn.
A of I. Semicolon. Run. Now run.
Run. Okay. Now. 5, 6, 7.
Understood?
Sum of 28. Understood. Understood. Okay. Now I get. Now I did all the three.
Yeah. Understood?
Understood. Understood, Mister. All good.
Okay. Now if you want to display only the sum of odd numbers. Now. Yes.
Mister, what did you say?
I want you to display sum of odd numbers only.
All sum of odd numbers.
Hmm. Not
Uh,
all numbers. Only the odd numbers.
I write here. I write new integer.
No. Come down. Come down. Come down. At line number 23, hit enter. Yes. Enter. Now check. If the A of I bracket if bracket round bracket, what bracket we use for if? Yes,
This one.
no, for if what we use for if and for?
Curly bracket.
No, first round bracket condition you have to give. Yeah, A of I. Yeah, come outside the bracket. Come, yeah, mod by 2.
What?
Mod percentage sign.
Just
Yeah, mod by 2 is equal to 1. Then only you will add. Saying double equal to, not a single equal, double equal to. Yes, so if I take the number and mod it with 2 and I get remainder as 1, mean number is odd, correct?
yeah.
I will take some of that number only. Now run.
To take only the sum.
Yeah, now run this. Now enter few odd numbers and few even numbers.
I enter even numbers now.
Even, odd, both, mix.
No, Mister, I want to delete this.
No, enter now. Keep entering numbers, no problem. Enter 1, 2, 3, 4. Now run again, Enter, run, yeah. Enter odd number, even number, mix both. Now how many odd numbers over here?
Odd one. No, one and two, three.
Oh, add them, what do you get?
And then we will get 17.
Sum of array is 17. Got it?
Yes.
So this will just mod you the odd numbers, okay?
Okay.
If you want sum of even numbers, make equal to 0.
Here equal to 0.
Yeah, this will give you even number. Run now.
Just even numbers.
What are the even numbers? Tell me.
The even numbers are 2, 4, 8, 10.
Add them. Add them.
It will all become 30.
Understood?
Understood. Easy.
This is all called array. This is called what?
Array.
Now make me array of floating point number of 7 floating point number. How will you do?
For what?
7 floats.
7 floats.
Yeah.
So I change the integer.
Yes. To float. Yes. Rest remains same. Come on. No. The index will always be integer. 0, 1, 2, 3 will always be integer. No. Leave it this. Yeah. Right. Your code is correct now. Yeah, run the code. Now you have to enter floating point numbers. Okay.
Floating.
Enter. What happened? Enter. Line 24.
What's the problem?
Run the code. Run the code, Mohammad. Let me see that. Run the code. What it is telling? Illegal is a floating point, line 24. Enter. Oh, you cannot do a of I with mod with 2.
Yeah, not true.
Okay, a of I mod with 2 will not come answer. Before that, a of I, no. In the if,
Yeah.
go at line number 23 starting.
Where?
Line number 23, go at the starting.
Yeah.
Okay. And yeah, line number line number 25. Go at 25, line 25.
Yes.
Yeah, go inside the if. Go inside the if. Go before a, yes. In right, open a bracket, round bracket. Write int, close bracket. Yeah, now run. Now we are converting this to a integer. Run now. Enter.
Tomorrow.
Enter floating point number.
The floating numbers are odd, right?
Yeah, enter floating numbers. No, and floating point no 1.3, 1.5 floating numbers.
Ah. With decimal.
Why give decimal before the number?
Oh, here decimal. I can delete.
No delete. Once you come down, no delete. Enter, enter. Okay.
Somewhere real 9. Okay.
So we will add only
This is
the even number. Understood, Mohammed?
understood, Mister.
So tomorrow we will do vector.
Inshallah, tomorrow we have to do vectors.
Then
And if we can do pointers.
okay.
Inshallah, tomorrow same this time.
Same this time, inshallah. We'll
Yeah,
take early.
inshallah.
Tomorrow what? Should we take at 2:30
Tomorrow,
or 2:30 your time?
Tomorrow 4, good mister, because you know Salah and like this.
What time does your salah get over?
Finish,
Tomorrow I have guest coming over at 7 o'clock in the evening. Yani 4:30 your time. I have guests coming.
4:30 our time.
Your time
Okay.
4:30. I have guests coming, so I can take at 2 your time if you want.
Okay, no problem.
Okay,
Inshallah.
2 your time tomorrow, inshallah.
No
So
problem.
2 to 4.
Inshallah.
Your time 2 to 4. What time is
Okay.
Juma? What time is Juma Salah over there for your time?
Finish.
Yeah.
12:30.
12:30 finish.
Yeah.
Then you come home, have food, 1.5 hour you have.
We have late, but me, no problem. I can have food.
One day you have early, no problem.
No problem, Mr.
Okay. And Mohammed,
No.
see, whatever our charges are, I am taking prepaid. I am taking what? In advance. We pay the fees and then we have the sessions. So today we finished 3 sessions, right? Today was 2 and that day was 1. Day before yesterday. What did we do that day? Day before yesterday?
We did the functions.
We did the function.
Yesterday.
We did recursion. We did recursion, right?
Yeah, recursion function.
So before that, before recursion, your fees is paid.
Yeah.
Till recursion, fees is paid. Now recursion and today's 2. This is balance. Okay?
Okay. Now left 1.
And we are charging prepaid. And we are first taking the fees and then taking the sessions.
Okay.
Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? No, not understanding.
Yeah. That before the sessions you get paid.
Yes. So now these 3 session fees is pending. Okay. Okay. I'll talk to Dr. Badar also.
Yeah. So inshallah from tomorrow.
Tomorrow we'll finish. So tomorrow we'll finish 5 sessions then, right?
Yeah.
1 session of recursion, 2 session of array, and now tomorrow 2 session of vector pointer.
2 session of array.
Today we had 2 sessions. No, today we had 2 sessions.
Today we took 2.
From my time 6 o'clock to my time 8 o'clock. Means your time what? What was it? 3:30?
My time was from 3:30 to 5:26.
5:30.
Yeah, from 5. Now it's 5:26 my time.
Yeah, so it's 2 hours, right?
Yes.
So today we took 2 sessions, right?
Yes.
Okay. 1 hour is 1 session, correct?
No problem. Yes.
Okay, so we finished 3 sessions. 1 recursion, and 2 for array, correct?
Yeah.
Do they also have multi-D array for you? Do they have 2D array?
What?
2D array.
No, we don't have.
Just talk to your sir. Do they have 2D array or not?
Yeah. Stop here.
Okay, and tomorrow we will take at what time?
Tomorrow, inshallah, at 2:30, inshallah, we said.
2:30. 2:30 your time?
My time, 2:30. Your
Okay,
time, I
then
think.
5 o'clock. My
Yeah.
time 5 o'clock. Can we take at 2 o'clock, Mohammed? Possible?
Okay, I will see, inshallah.
Okay, 2 o'clock your time we will take. 2
Inshallah,
o'clock to 4
inshallah.
o'clock your time.
Inshallah, Mr.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum.